versus between the Arrma Typhon 6S and the Arrma Mojave 6S. We'll do a speed run on the grass, and then we'll do a bash on the skate park and see which one comes out on top. There we go. Woo. Typhon is a beast. With 3, go. It's like the Mojave won. 2, 3, go. Man, Mojave's a beast on takeoff. 3, go. Damn, the Mojave. Jeez. Oh. Oh, nice. It's close, but I think the Mojave took it. Give it throttle. Yeah, it sounds like one of the discs is going bad. Oh shoot! Oh, where'd that screw come from? Where'd this come from? Oh, that just happened. Okay, that's where it came from. It's an easy fix. Got another screw at the house. Okay, so here's the second part of the Typhon versus Mojave on the RC track. So the Typhon, I remember the only thing that broke was this screw right here. I just replaced that, easy enough. And on this one I had to replace one of the diffs. But let's go ahead and get started. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Jeez. Oh. Ooh, almost landed on me. Hard hit on the rock. Oh man. I can't see my truck. There it is. I also have to be careful not to shoot it over the neighbor's fence, because that has happened before. Out of all the trucks, I believe the Typhon is the easiest to handle, because it's like the smallest and lowest to the ground. And then in second place from that is the Italian. Huh? Playing bumper cars with RCs. Oh. Huh? Oh. Ooh, nice. We got a race on our hands here. Fish tailing everywhere. Woo! There we go. I'm stuck. Come on. There you go. It's hard to keep it straight for some reason. Oh, messed me up. Nice. I think we naturally drift to the left because I'm scared of shooting it over the fence. Nice. Oh, I'm only on 50%. What the heck? Let's go 100. Oh, I said I was only on 50%. No wonder why I'm not clearing the jumps. Yeah, let's go. Holy moly, that is 100%. 3, go. These jumps, you barely need any throttle and it clears them. Damn. Damn. Boom. Jump this one. Ready? Perfect. Okay, that concludes the Typhon versus the Mojave on the RC track. Which one do you guys think won? Which one do you think won? The Typhon. Yeah, I know the Typhon is the best one on the track because it's small and quick and just flies off the jumps. But the Mojave is not no slouch either. So that'll do it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.